Hello people, John with Ozarks Backroads with you today. We're out on the North Fork of the White River. Came out to fly my drone a little bit, take some pictures, thought I'd bring you along. Kind of see how all this goes. See if we can get fired up here. Get all of our devices connected here. Got satellites. Good connection, got full batteries. We're in GPS mode. Get her fired up here. Get her up in the air a little bit. Okay, I'm going to turn this around. Beautiful. Well, we're just peeling down the ripping down the river here. Go up a little bit. I'm gonna look over this way. My phone is really not bright enough for me to tell, even with this hood on it. I need to get a brighter phone or just buy a dedicated video monitor for this. It's brighter. This phone's only like 350 or 400 nits. You need something that's at least 1,000 if you're going to be outside with it. And there we are. Bring it down here and we'll take a picture of it taking a picture of us. It should go to freaking out. It should see me here. I'm going to raise this gimbal up a little bit. Yep. Yeah, it's right in front of me here. It says, oh crap, 11 feet away is some guy in a motorcycle helmet. And it's right. Looks like we're down to what, 6.5 minutes. Probably have to bring her on back. There it goes. Whew. We'll move to another location and see if there's anything else we can take a picture of. There's another bridge over the river, a couple of 3 miles upstream from where we were at there. Blair Bridge, they call it. Go down there and see what it looks like. If there's anywhere I can get a drone up along here. This is one of the bridges they replaced this year that got washed out last year in the floods. Bridge got washed away, so we got a brand new bridge right here. That's pretty cool. Posted, wires up. Stay off of our land. What's this say? Welcome to Blair Bridge. Public Fishing Access, Missouri Conservation Department. Well, pretty sure you can't fly a drone. And there's the boat ramp. Video surveillance. I want to read these instructions here. They got a lot of friggin' rules. No littering, fireworks, digging, target shooting, pets must be on leash, camping in designated sites. Can't litter. Persons, groups, maximum 14. And then here is the rules for catching trout. Where are we at? Okay, Patrick, that's where we were at earlier. We were flying. Now we're upstream here at Blair. Man, would I love to take a drone down through there. Woo, doggies. That would be nice. Little downstream shot here on the river. Kind of a lazy river right here. So that's the North Fork. We're just below Blair Bridge here, about a quarter mile. This is the Blair access, the boat ramp. Here's the old water mill right here, and it's got a spring, big spring that it runs the water mill. And it dumps into this bigger creek. And I believe this is called Spring Creek, if I'm not mistaken. Got a little water in it. We've had some rain. We'll put the drone up, fly down here and see what it looks like. Looks like the waterfall's in the shade. That ain't cool. Got the drone up here and flew around the mill a little bit and flew down around over the creek and the bridge and stuff down here and along the bluff. And got some footage of that. This is the mill spring here that feeds the water mill. That's just a spring. Well, we had a pretty good time. Got to fly around the mill a little bit, take some drone pictures and video on the spring creek there, right below the mill. Flew up and down that a little bit. And then we went down and flew at the Patrick Bridge there on the North Fork. Did that earlier today. That was pretty good, scenic little area. I'm thinking that drone, when I get out west this season, this coming season, that drone's going to be pretty nice. You get some epic shots of some mountains and valleys and rivers, and it'll be cool. It's hard to find places along the rivers here that you can get access to, and it's not locked up or controlled by the government. They won't let you fly in a park or anything, or national park land. They bought up all the land along the rivers, and it's all state or national park, most of it. So it makes it difficult. But out west, why, there's all kinds of places along the rivers, you know. So that'll be cool. Looking forward to that. We'll do that for sure. Well, until I see you next time, y'all take care of yourselves. We'll catch you later.